Hey guys, another day, another tips. So I'm going to show you regarding for the Shimano 12-speed Di2 system. Okay, so have you experienced your Shimano Di2 battery? It drains very quickly. Okay, so even after a full charge, it still repeats the same problem. Alright, so here's a useful tips to do. Make sure your entire Di2 system is up to date to the latest firmware, including the shifters, RD, FD, and batteries. Alright, so outdated firmware can sometimes cause abnormal power consumption. And to prevent this system from entering sleep mode, which leads to rapid battery drain. So here is the common issue of rapid Di2 battery drains, like faulty battery, internal water or moisture inside connectors, or damage the each wires, effective shifter or RD or FD, Bluetooth wireless module, some issues. Okay, so to keep your system up to date, make sure optimal and performance longer battery life. Alright.